Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Merchant Center for affiliate shopping placements, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Google Merchant Center website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, select the option to create one. Once signed in, you'll need to fill in your business information. Enter your business name as you want it to appear in Google. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose your time zone for reporting purposes. Review the terms of service and accept them to proceed. After acceptance, click on the Create Account button. You will be directed to the Merchant Center dashboard. Next, you need to verify your website domain. To do this, click on the Business Information section. Select the Website tab within the Business Information. Enter your website URL in the designated field. Choose a verification method from the options provided. Follow the steps for your selected verification method. Once your website is verified, return to the Merchant Center dashboard. Now, you'll want to set up your product feed. Navigate to the Products section on the left-hand menu. Click on Feeds and then select the Add Feed option. Choose your target country and language for the feed. Select the appropriate feed type based on your product offerings. Follow the prompts to configure your feed settings. Upload your product data according to Google specifications. Ensure all necessary attributes are included, such as product ID, title, and price. Once your feed is ready, click Save to submit it. Next, set up the shipping and tax settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.